Hello everyone. Today we will see that economic system. Economic system have three types. First one capitalism, second one socialism, third one mixed economy. First we will see that capitalisms. Capitalism is nothing but it is only for private ownership and it aim for only profit. That's one for the capitalisms. Then all important decisions concerning the productions it will be taken by only by individual or firm or sole proprietor like us. Then the factors of productions like us land, labor, capital, etc. are privately owned and production take this initiate of the private enterprises because it's only for private ownership. Then second one socialisms. Socialism is nothing but socialisms it's only for economic political philosophy. Wealth could be fairly distributed through a safety. It only for private or not private, only for public ownership. Public ownership of the socialisms, and it also the states owns and control all means of productions decisions and also distributions made through by the central planning because it only for state ownership of the socialisms, and it also for depend on the governments for rules and regulations, and it also for rejection the individualisms competitions because it only for state and it also for state control planning system. Then third one mixed economy. Mixed economy is nothing but it both public and private is both on for mixed economy. In private sector is aim of profit, but at the same time regulations rules set by the government, so that's one for mixed economy, both private and public. Then next we will see that comparisons of between capitalism, socialism, mixed economy. First we will see that for characteristics. First one economic market. Economic market in capitalism have for rights to invest, and it also for free competitions, and it also for private ownership. Then next mixed economy. Mixed economy have limited competitions, and it also for state owned industries. While I am saying that limited competitions because have both mixed economy public and private. Then third one socialisms. Socialisms have absence of competitions, and it also for state owned, and it also for state owned. Then next one individual incentives. Individual incentives in capitalism, profit and wages. Profit and wages is set by for willingness to work and person capability because it is for private ownership. Then mixed economy, thus profit recognized or wages set by the state also. Then finally socialisms, profit are not allowed, profit is not allowed, and it also workers urged to work glory to the state because socialism is only for state ownership. Then third one capital source. Capital source, then first one for capitalisms, it's a capital invested by as individual or private ownership, and it also get the borrow on credit. Then mixed economy obtained by owners from state, and socialisms, state provide all resources to start a business owned by the state. Then next one labor. Labor is a capitalism have for individual persons to select the labor, or it is independent unions, but mixed economy the state encourage to the employment because mixed economy have both public and private. Then socialisms, the state determine one employer and employment. Then management selected on basis of capability ability because for private ownership, but mixed economy managers state owned industries answer to the state. Then socialism's absence of freedom to take decisions, manager appointed by state. Then business ownership in capitalism have for individual have to right to own business because the controlled by private ownership. Mixed economy, the state owns under industries including steel and transportations, other business may exist privately. Then socialisms, the state owns all productive capability including communes. Then seventh one risk assumption, the capitalism have for losses assumed by owners, because the private initiate and also invest the capital, so it have take the profit, it get that profit, or otherwise it have for loss to get that loss, to assume that loss or accept that loss, because it is invested by the private ownership, and it also as a privatism put they invest the capital, so the company have any profit, it also enjoy the benefits, the company have loss, it will accept that loss. Then mixed economy, people assume the risk, state owned industries and losses taken from taxes. In socialisms, economic productions owned by state, the risk assumed by state, losses reduce standard of living in from socialisms. Then central problems decided by market mechanisms, but mixed economy decided by combination of market system and state planning. In socialisms, decided by centralized planning by the state. And finally, consumer sovereignty. In capitalism, full freedom of choice. In mixed economy, limited freedom, and socialism, no freedom of choice. Thank you.